Hi, this is Michelle Lang with Emling Media on Inside the Edge Talk Show, and I'm here with Nancy Seeger of Seeger Consulting. And Nancy is a sponsor here at Inside Edge. Tell us a bit about your business, Nancy, and the type of clients you work with.
I work with really unique women business owners who are already effective in sales but who have not maximized their marketing return on investments.
And are you particularly a sales coach, or are you more focused on the marketing end?
Exclusively on the marketing end. They have to come to me knowing how to sell, because if you cannot sell first, you don't have anything to market.
And tell me a bit about the unique transformation that you bring your clients.
So the unique value that I bring to my clients is helping them understand the return on investment for exact marketing strategies that work for their business. Marketing is a very specific and individual niche way to build your momentum, but it only works if you're in the right place at the right time.
It sounds like you help them figure out what that right place and right time is.
That's the intention, yes.
And what made you want to sponsor here at Inside Edge?
I have absolute admiration for Angelique and what she's accomplished, and Inside Edge as an event, and the clients and the opportunities it brings to small business owners. So it was adamant that I was a part of it this year.
And given that the attendees are here to take their business to the next level, from your framework of your expertise, what advice would you give the attendees?
Learn your numbers. Learn how to analyze what you're working with and what's important to your business. Because a lot of people spend time learning their customers, learning their niche, getting ahead of the market. But if you don't know your numbers, you really don't know how to best serve them. And to be in it for the long run, business is a marathon. We put in a lot of time and effort. Know your numbers and you'll last a lot longer, and you'll get the results a lot quicker.
And as part of the work you do you help show the clients how they can look at those numbers?
Absolutely. We can set up all kinds of analytics. We can train you in what analytics to look for, and we can train your team in how to work with those analytics to get the best for your return on investment.
How would the viewers find you if they wanted to know more about your services?
The easiest way is to go to my website. I have a free report that helps businesses move from chaos to consistent revenue, and it's at Seeger Consulting Incorporated. That's inc.com.
Thank you so much for joining us. And stay tuned for some more interviews to come on Inside the Edge Talk Show.